Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how you can easily connect HubSpot with Outlook. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. What you want to do is just scroll down below on this video to the description and click on the link. Then you are gonna come across to this page, Make is a powerful integration platform that would allow you to connect different apps without having to write a single line of code. Make integrates with thousands of apps, and you get also the free accounts that you can test it out by yourself. Okay, so after clicking the link in the description, now you want to sign up to Make. It's easy as just filling these forms, or you can also sign up using your Google accounts, your Facebook accounts, your GitHub accounts. And after that, this is your dashboard. Now you want to click this create new scenario button right here on the top right, and here you are. Click the plus symbol and just search for the apps that you want to connect. Let's say Outlook, or you want to add HubSpot first. That's completely up to you. And as you can see, each application usually has different skins of models inside of it, because you can do different things with those applications, like watch CRM objects, watch records, so you would choose which one you want. I'm gonna go with watch records. This is like triggers when a contact or company or a deal has been recently modified or created within the last 30 days, so the output is limited to 10K. So that is also specified down here what kind of model is. Then you need to connect it with your accounts here. And after that, click the plus icon here and search for Outlook. I'm gonna add Outlook, so you have Outlook calendar and email. I'm gonna go with email, and let's say you want to search messages, get a message, move a message, delete a message, so you would choose which one you want here. I'm gonna go with create and send a message. Then you need to connect it with your accounts here. On the bottom left, you can easily run it once and test it out. On the bottom, you can save it. Over here, you'll find templates. I find this a really cool place to get some inspiration of what is possible. For example, over here, I could search by an app. I could say, okay, give me all the templates that contain HubSpot model. Down here, you see all kinds of things that are possible. You can use them as they are or customize them to suit your needs. You can also contact the Make customer support if you need any help. And that's it. So hopefully this video helped you out, and bye bye.